Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you UVlizer review. So, the UVlizer here, also shown on some of their pages as UVlizer, is a home disinfection device that uses UVC light technology. On their tower models here, it's combined with ozone. So the idea is that it targets both the air and nearby surfaces in a room, going after things like bacteria, viruses, mold, dust mites, and general allergies, all without using any chemicals or sprays. Now, that's according to their website. Now, here's what you actually get with it. Now, the main unit runs on a UVC bulb, depending on the version, either 38 watt or 50-watt lamp, and that's rated to cover a room of roughly like 100 to 50 square feet. So that's a bedroom, living room, or a kitchen size space. Now, on the tower version here, the UVC and ozone work together, and according to the site, that combination gets you the same level of sanitation in about like 15 to 60 minutes that a plain ozone generator alone might take up to like 25 to 30 hours to achieve. Now, the bulb itself is rated for a lifespan of over like 5,000 hours. It also comes with a wireless remote control, so you can start it from a distance, and it's built to be lightweight and portable, so you can move it room to room or even pack it for travel just in case. Now, for safety, there's a built-in relay timer, so up to about like 30 seconds, that beeps before the light actually turns on, giving you time to leave the room. Now, as for how to use it, it's pretty straightforward. Now, you place the unit in the room you want to treat, and then use the remote or the built-in button to select your timer. Now, the standard option are about 15, 30, or 60 minutes. So once you set it, you leave the room, close the door behind you, and the unit runs its cycle and shuts off automatically when it's done. Since ozone is released during operation on the tower version, the instructions may say or to keep the room closed off while it's running, and after the cycle finishes, to wait around like 30 to 60 minutes with the window or door open before going back in. Now, for regular maintenance use, the site suggests running it about like once or twice a week in general is generally enough. Now, on the service side of things here, though, since this is more of a physical device than an app, the main features you interact with are the remote control, the timer settings, and if you buy multiple units, the ability to sync more than one lamp to a single remote, so you can run them simultaneously in different rooms. Now, for the pricing itself, the site runs frequent bundle style promotions rather than one fixed sticker price here. You'll typically see options like a single unit, a buy two get one free bundle, or a buy three get two free bundle. Now, with site-wide discounts that has listed as high as like 35% off, depending on the current promotion. Shipping is listed as free, and purchases come with a 90-day money-back guarantee, according to them. So you want to check the checkout page directly for the exact dollar amount at the same time you're ordering. So it varies from time to time, but that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.